In today's world, hygiene and cleanliness are more important than ever before. Introducing the Schneider Electric Harmony XB5F Antimicrobial Pushbuttons for clean and hygienic operation of your equipment. The button has an antimicrobial additive designed to be incorporated into the raw material of the push buttons to improve cleaning and sanitizing routine and inhibit microbial growth on push buttons. Electric Harmony XB5F Antimicrobial Pushbuttons can also withstand harsh environments, as the integrative additive also prevents the button's odor, discoloration, staining, deterioration, or corrosion on the surface of the push button. And they can be used for various applications such as material working, packaging, pumping, consumer packaged goods, water and wastewater, and material handling. Visit DigiKey.com to learn more about Schneider Electric Harmony XB5F Antimicrobial Pushbuttons.